Hi, Sammy. Sadie. Now you guys are going to get out of the way. Hi guys, my name's Teresa. So the stuff I ordered came. Of course the dogs are right in the middle of it. Come on, back up. Go on. Go on. Open this little one first. Look out. I started to get out in the sun, but it's kind of bright out. My son's come running. He came and said, "What'd you order in such a big box?" Okay, so this, I ordered a grinder to add to my KitchenAid. I mainly bought it to grind up corn that I give to the chickens to bust it up smaller. So I can't wait to try that out. Let's get to the big one. Probably opening it upside down. Yeah. This is for my garden. Let's put in this box. So I ordered me an arch to put up here. There's a hole in the box. I hope nothing's damaged. I bet they would have just shipped it in this box instead of filling that. Oh wow. Oh, it's like a copper color. I thought it was coming in black. This will be the top. That looks pretty. Now the instructions did say it takes 2 people to put it together, so I'll have to get some help. So I'm going to go round up some help and see if I can get this put up, and I'll show you where I'm going to put it at up there. Oh, wow. that bar comes up and gets dead ends. I should have tapered that off. The spikes that go in the ground, if you pick it up, they fall right out. So they didn't have those where you put a screw in. I'll have to fix that. And this one leg is a little bent inwards. Took me a minute, but one person can put it together. But standing it up, you need help because those legs fall out unless you screw them in. It's a beautiful archway. It's actually very taller than I thought it would be. And I think what I'm going to do is do away with the legs completely. Dig me a hole, set it in where I want it, and probably concrete these legs down in the ground. That way I know it'll stay there. And it'll lower the height up a little bit because, like I said, that's kind of high. Another thing, the nut on top, it was supposed to come with 2 wrenches and it only came with 1. But other than that, I love it. Love the bronze color. It says it's bronze. Looks more like copper to me. Copper and black. So I'm going to take it down. Go find me some concrete. And a wrench to tighten those screws, the nuts. And get this thing put in the ground. So guys, that's my video for today. I want to thank you for joining me. We'll get this leveled out here inside the archway and put me a walk in here. That'll be later. We'll come back and add screws to this. So don't like that it comes apart. And I need to tighten those screws up on top. Thanks for joining me, and you all have a great day and stay safe. God bless you.